Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Aixa, and today we are going to be unboxing April's BoxyCharm. Now today, unfortunately, we're not going to do a little try-on video. We're just going to unbox them. So let's get into the boxes. So BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. You pay $25 for the base, $35 for the premium, and there's a luxe tier which I do not own, so unfortunately I don't really recall the price for it, but it's a monthly subscription. Yeah, I lost my train of thought completely. You get 5 to 6. So okay, so the base box is 5 full-size and just full-size items, I believe, and then the premium is 5 to 6 full-size products, something like that. You know me, never know these things. So let's get into the boxes. Let's start with the base box. You get way more than your value, what you're paying for the box, obvi. I will leave a link down in the description box if you guys would like to sign up. I don't have my train of thought today. You see, this is why I'm also not doing my makeup. I can't focus and think properly. If I can, goodness gracious. So, let's open it up. Oh, the card is so colorful. It has all the items on it, but look how colorful and like candyful and sweet and like cavity filled it is. So cute. So bubble wrap. Let's go with the first one. So the first thing we have is from Natasha Denona is the Jubilee palette, as it says it on here. Natasha Denona Jubilee. Oh, this is pretty. So I do know that Natasha Denona is a little pretty penny. I like the green, I like the yellow, I like that pink, the brown and black, you know, everyday colors. I don't know how I'll make a look with this, but it's really pretty. I know that she's pretty expensive too, so that's nice. Let's look at the price. So the Natasha Denona Jubilee eyeshadow palette is obviously full size and it's $48. $48 for 5 shades. That's expensive. I could never. If I'm paying $48 for eyeshadow, I need colors, I need options, I need a lot. I need a whole entire palette with a mirror. This don't even got a mirror, baby. Ooh, I flew that too far. Almost lost it. But yeah, that's just too much. I'm sorry. So the next thing we have is from Dragon Beauty. I do not own anything from Dragon Beauty. I wanted to buy something, but I never got into like buying it, anything, whatever. This is the color corrector in lavender. I don't really use the lavender. I don't use color corrector as it is now, unless like my bags are like really like popping out at me, but then I would use the orange. I wouldn't use lavender, unfortunately, so I'm probably just gonna give this away to someone that can use the lavender. Bye, Dragon. It was nice holding you in my hand. So let's look at these. The Dragon Beauty Dragon Fire color corrector is full size and it's $25. That's pretty expensive because it looks kind of tiny, but I do know like a lot of people live by it and say that it's really good. So if it's worth it, I guess. If a little goes a long way, I guess. I can't tell you because it's lavender. I'm not really gonna use it. So let's go to the next thing. The next thing we have is the Terry DeMars Gel Nuting Colapor different language. What is this? Do they have, okay, coffee extract, Rabona, aloe moisturizes. What are you? Oh, a Radition body cleanser. So it's soap. Got it. So it's basically a body wash. Terra de Mars Radition body cleanser, an organic low foaming aromatic and soft cleansing suitable for all skin types. Okay, that's nice. It is full size and it's $22. I think that's really expensive. For body wash, I can get some Dove for like $5. No, I'm sorry. That's crazy. Oh no, $22 for some body wash? Oh, keep that over there. Next we have from Queen with a V, Qveen, the Dragon Lash Tubing Mascara. Mascara? Okay. I like how they have a picture of a girl with, obviously, I'm assuming the mascara on her. Ooh, I almost lost. Look how pretty. The packaging is so nice. I love how the logo is all over it. Oh, this wand. I don't know how I feel about the wand. I don't feel like it's a volumizing. It's more of a lengthening. So It does say that it's gonna like look like you have extensions, lash extensions, so we'll see. Really excited to try that. Come on. Maybe I should keep this closer because I keep struggling. The Queen Studio Dragon Lash Mascara is full size in 18, which is a really good price because that's the usual prices unless you go to the, you know, the drugstore mascara. But 18 to like 22 is usually the usual price for like high-end mascaras. So that's a decent price. And the last thing we have is from Touch in Sol is the Icy Sherbet Primer, silicone free and cooling effect. Pretty Filthy Icy Sherbet silicone free primer. Okay, so this is a primer. I don't know why I have to read it like 10 times just to find out it's a primer, even though it says it in the name. If I can open it. Ooh, this is big. Okay, look at this. This is thick. It smells clean, like skincare. We'll see how that works. It says this will be cooling, so we'll see. So that is Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. It's full size at $32. Honestly, I do feel like that's a good price because this is a big tube one. Which one is it? The Benefit, the Professional, that is like 30 something dollars, and you see how small it is compared to this. So I do feel like this is a really good price for the size. So that is everything that is in this box. Honestly, I do feel like it's a good box. I feel like, you know, if this was orange, I would have loved it. So I'm just kind of sad that it's not, but it's fine. Then we have the Natasha Denona palette. Hello. There's big old primer, mascara, body wash. I'm kind of excited to see what the $22 body wash is about because, like, who's paying $22 for body wash? Let's be real. So, body wash, I'm excited to see that. And then if this was just only orange, I would love it. But it's a pretty good box. Like, I'm pretty impressed with it. It's not like the best in the world, but it has a lot of good items in it. So I'm pretty happy about that. The overall value, let me just move this aside. The overall value of the $25 box is $145. That's $120 of product that I basically didn't pay, like free products. I love that. I think that's a good deal, honestly. I feel like that's a great deal. So let's just move this stuff to the side, and then we will get into the $35 premium box. So let's open this up again. This is the premium box. It's like 5 to 6 items, full size in the box. This one was really easy to open. Surprised. Let's take a look. Oh, okay, so we got our card with the items and prices and stuff. Eloise Mini Teardrop Brush. This looks fancy, okay? Fancy. Rose Gold Mirror Fin. Hold on. Oh my gosh. You gotta hold it. Oh my god. I don't like that hand. This one. Okay, this is better. Oh yes. I feel like this needs to stay in the box. I can't throw the box out. That's just not a thing. This stays in the box. Oh my gosh. Yes. That's so fancy. Okay, so the Eloise Beauty Rose Gold Teardrop Brush is full size of $45. Yeah, that looked like it was expensive. I wouldn't say $45 is worth it, but like 20 maybe, 25, 45. I'm okay. Let's move on to the next one. The next thing, oh, okay, is that everything? Oh, there's one more thing at the bottom. Okay, let's start with the bottom one first, because this is big. It's from 111 Skin. I get a lot of 111 Skin. It's the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. Yes, the Dr. Y. Alexandrids MD. Yeah, no, we're not doing this. So this is just a Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. You know, just gonna put that to the side. That looks like it's expensive though. Like it's pretty weighted. It's pretty weighted. It feels like there's a good amount in it. How many are there? 5. There's 5 of them. So they look pretty big, but it's a full face. I don't know. So the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask 5-pack. It's $135. I don't know why, how, where, when, why. Who? $135 for 5 face masks? That's expensive. I'm sorry. So the next thing we have is from Wonder Beauty, the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. So it's an overnight serum, I'm assuming. Yeah, yeah, it's an overnight serum or overnight mask or concentrate, whatever. Wonder Beauty is pretty good. I didn't know they did skincare too. Wonder Beauty, the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate is full size and $68. I'm getting a lot of skincare today, and not just skincare but expensive skincare today. This month is very expensive. I'm okay with it. I'm just saying it's pretty expensive this month, you know. Good thing I didn't choose to do my makeup, because I would only be playing with like 2 or 3 things so far that I can see. Next thing we have is the Dose of Color eyeliner in the shade, oh, the body wash fell, it's fine, in the shade Sketch. It looks like it's brown on the packaging, so we'll see if it's a brown or a black. Yeah, it's brown. It's a brown eyeliner. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little point. And then it's a retractable. Oh, I don't know if you twist that. Yeah, it's a retractable liner, which I love. My favorite kind. It's a brown eyeliner. Nice, cool, collective, great. Can't go wrong. I mean, black be better, but brown is cool too. Dose of Color eyeliner is full size and $15. That's pretty decent. I feel like it's a great packaging, really nice, like retractable too. So I feel like retractable liners should be a little bit more expensive because it's a lot of mechanisms to it as opposed to a sharpener liner. I don't know, but it's a decent price for Dose of Colors. I think it's good. Next, we have 2 more items in here. Let's take this. Ooh. Take this and put this to the side for now. So the first thing we have is from NARS, and we all know NARS is a little pretty penny, so that's already that. The blush in the shade Gaiety, G-A-I-E-T-Y. Yeah, that. Take this. Yeah, NARS is a pretty. I love the way the packaging feels. Ooh, this is very bright. This is a very light-handed look. Ooh, I don't know how often I would use that, honestly. Ooh, okay. So this is full size and it is $30, which I expected because NARS is a pretty penny. I don't know how often I would use that because it's really, really, really bright. Yeah. And the last thing is from Incredible. It is the Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. Nails ink? Huh? Crystal Ball Roller Gloss. What is it for? My lips? Because it also says nails, but then it says roller gloss. But they're lip glosses. Okay, Crystal Ball lip gloss is infused with real crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up chakras. Okay, that sounds expensive. Let's open it up. Yeah, I don't know why it says nails ink. I don't, okay. Ooh, that's why they look so weird. Oh yeah, you could tell they put like rocks in here. I don't know about crystals, but they look like rocks. This one definitely looks like it has rocks in it. Look at these. These are cute. This one is Find Love and Heal Yourself. These are so cute. So, looks expensive. The Incredible Cosmetics Crystal Ball Roller Gloss is $24. That's actually expensive for like these kind of clear glosses, but also it has crystals in it, so I can say that's pretty cheap for it to be crystals. Honestly, I don't know how much crystals cost, so I can't really say much. Yeah, but $24, that's not bad. For 2 glosses, it's like 12 each. So that was everything inside of the premium box. I got a lot of skincare this month. I got things that don't go with me, like that blush, the lavender color correcting. Like I feel like this month they didn't really look like, because you fill out a quiz of like what you like, your skin type, hair color, all that stuff, so they can send you the proper stuff. And I feel like they didn't take that quiz into account this month when they did it. I feel like they just was like, we have a lot of this stuff left over, let's throw in a lot of expensive things.
And that's really what it was, because I don't feel like any of this I would really use. Like the glosses are nice and stuff. The blush I won't use these skincare stuff. The brush I love, but I'm afraid to use it. Like it's so cute. The primer is kind of thick. I would use the primer. The palette has unique color scheme. I have to use it with like other palettes and stuff. Mascara, yeah. Can't use this. And body wash. I really feel like they just threw things in the bag. Oh, and the liner I would choose. So out of all this, I would probably use like 4, 5 maybe. I feel like they just threw stuff in the box. But an expensive box is what they did. The overall value for the premium box is $297. Like that's a lot of money. I only paid $35. Like that's huge. But that's mostly because this skin thing is $135. Like what? But that's everything we got today. Even if I did makeup, I really wouldn't be playing with much, honestly. So I guess I chose a good month to not do my makeup. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, just leave a little comment down below. Let me know if there's any of the subscription boxes that you want me to subscribe to other than BoxyCharm and Ipsy. I would love to try them out and see how they are. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button down below so that you'll be notified every time that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Let me see your belly boob when the beat drops.